tabletop to supported L-sit. If you want to improve shoulder strength and mobility, you're going to like this one. The tabletop to supported L-sit is a simple yet effective exercise for increasing shoulder depression, protraction, and retraction strength. It's also an excellent shoulder extension and wrist extension mobility drill. To perform the tabletop to supported L-sit, start by sitting on the floor with the legs straight and the torso upright. Place your hands on the floor next to your hips with the fingers pointing back. If you lack wrist mobility, turn the hands so the fingers are pointing out to the side. Keeping the arms straight, depress the shoulders and push down into the floor to lift the hips off the ground. Notice that the shoulders are both depressed and protracted in the supported L-sit. The feet stay on the floor. From here, lift the hips and extend the shoulders to move into a tabletop position. Contract your glutes and push your hips up. The goal is to keep the shoulders depressed as they move from protraction in the L-sit into retraction in the tabletop. As you move into the tabletop, push your chest out and twist your hands into the floor towards your pinky fingers to create external shoulder rotation. Notice how the elbow pits rotate slightly as you move from the supported L-sit into the tabletop. Hold the tabletop for the prescribed time and then move back to the supported L-sit with the legs and arms straight and the shoulders protracted and depressed. Hold the supported L-sit for the prescribed time and then move back and forth between the L-sit and the tabletop to complete the specified number of repetitions. I typically hold each position for 3 to 5 seconds and do anywhere from 8 to 12 reps. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.